Okay, students, this is our learning objective today. Yeah, this is our learning objective. Page setup and margin. Ya, page margin. Ya, jadi in page have margin. Ya, I believe every student have already know about margin. Ya, margin. What is margin? We will study later. Okay, students.
Dua kamera terus.
Okay, Hero, you want to speak? Okay, no. Students, next week, yeah, or before Thursday, you must have to finish this one, box number 6, TSNL key. Ya, harus sudah selesai sampai di sini typing kamu. Ya, do your typing until box number 6. Okay, now I want to see your typing progress. Ya, your progress in typing. I want to see. And I will give point for the student if you have finished until number 4, ya.
Sir, I kerjainnya sampai reviewan, sir. I kira yang 4 itu sampai reviewan.
Oh.
I juga, sir.
Okay, wait. We see first. Coba we see together. Andromeda class. Okay, Adelio, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, until from 4. It means you complete, ya. If next Thursday you must until here, ya. Until here. But this is until box number 4. It means complete, ya. Because Serjuan said last week until box number 4. Okay, Adelio, you get
Sir,
point.
This is Andromeda, sir.
Yeah, this is Andromeda, I know. Okay, next. Wow, Andromeda 2. Still not yet joined. Login. Alexandra. Have Alexandra here. Still not yet login. And also Betania. Number 3. Still not login. Andromeda 3. And Billy. Billy also not yet joined, ya. Chantika. Okay, Chantika already until number 4, ya. Chantika. Delfino. Okay, Delfino until number 4. You get it. Next. Donis number 4 and Adeline, ya. Donis. Adeline. Okay, next. Febrian. Wow, Gracia. Little more, Gracia. Wow, so sorry, Gracia, ya. Febrian, get it. Wow, Gracia, so sorry. Little more, ya. Okay, Hero also. Little more. Wow. Jessica, wow, still number 1. Not complete. Andromeda 13, who is this? Kaizan Harfino, not yet join. Not yet login. Kenji, wow, good, Kenji. Okay, next. Wow, Raihan Aditya. Oh, this is Raihan. You don't have laptop, ya, still because blank, ya, Raihan, ya. That's right, Raihan.
Yes.
Okay, Raihan. Later, if you have a phone, if Android atau Huawei, coba try. Atau kalau punya laptop, you can try later, ya. Oke,
My
Rehan.
handphone Android, sir, tapi nggak bisa.
Apa, Rehan?
My phone Android tapi tetap nggak bisa.
Oh, sorry. I use iPad ya. iPhone ya. Merek, I think just now grade 4 have some student. Ya, ada di siswa kelas 4 tadi. He can.
Sir,
Ya,
kalau use iPad can, sir?
can ya. Jessica,
Yes, sir.
you already try.
Already, sir.
Oh, iPad ya, merek iPad ya.
Yes, sir. iPhone punya, sir.
Iya, Jessica, thank you ya your information. Jadi kalau if iPad itu bisa Raihan ya. Tapi itu oke lah Raihan ya. Letter aja if you have ya you can do continue ya. Jessica, how about you? Oh Jessica, why you still box number 1? That's not complete. You don't do. Okay.
Already, sir.
Look.
I already sent to you the picture, sir.
Okay, Jessica, this is yours. Your username Andromeda 12. That's right. Miss Jessica, can you respond? Okay, this is the problem. Ini problem ya, Kit ya. Students, wherever atau whatever you use to typing, menggunakan typing ya, harus tetap menggunakan username yang Serjuan give to you. Ya, if you don't use it in here, tidak ada progresnya, sia-sia kamu kerjain. So you must use your username. Ya, username-nya tetap Kit. Andromeda example 13. Passwordnya Andromeda. Get used when you want to login, student login. Jadi don't use the other username atau email. Ya, you must use that. If you use that, di sini progress Kit. Di sini ada nampak kemajuan kerjaan kamu. Dia akan kelihatan. But if you don't use, I cannot see. Kamu berarti tidak masuk di kelas Andromeda. Later Jessica, if you have problem, you can chat me aja ya. Oke, Rachel, good. Saptiani, good. Stanley, wow, Stanley, thank you very much, Stanley. Wow, it's mean next week you will get again ya. Kamu sudah selesaikan semua ini ya. Oke, Stanley.
Sir, tapi kalau yang lain kayak yang immediately itu sama yang coding bisa dibuat kan, Sir?
You mean intermediate. You will continue until finish this one.
And coding essential, so, Sir.
Oh ya, you already try here ya. It's okay. Ya, jadi students, later ya, next time kita harus finish all this ya. Kita harus finishkan semua ini. Ya, intermediate and also coding essential ya. We have to finish all this. Kita harus selesaikan ini ya. Oke, Stanley already.
So, sir, letter langsung bisa dikerjain semua, sir.
Oh, up to you. If you can, if you want until finish, it is okay. So later and next week when I say student, you have to finish until box number 10. You ready? Kamu tinggal santai saja, Kit. Ya, it is okay ya. Ya. Pina Marica ya. Oke. Oke, finish ya Kit? Selesai? Oke, finish. Okay, then about typing. So next week, before Zoom, Sir Juan always ask this ya. Always see this and I will give point again. Okay, this okay ya Kit? We continue our lesson about page margin. Yeah, this is, I think this easy one. Page margin, batas kertas ya. What is margin? Apa itu margin? Yeah, you can see here, margin as the blank space near the edge of the tag of the page. You can see this kid. Kau perhatikan ini. This is page, ini halaman. Jadi kid, yang di sini kid, top margin. Ada blank space, ada kosong. Jadi pinggiran itu kosong. Edge of the page ya, pinggiran sini kid ada kosong. Left and here right have also blank and button have also blank. Blank space ya, ada jarak kosong di sini. Jadi ini namanya margin kit. So margin have 4 ya, ada 4. Okay, to set your margin, untuk men-set margin kamu, klik page layout. Remember this one, remember. And page setup, and then page setup dialog launcher. Ketika page setup dialog box launcher, the page setup dialog appear in the 3 tab. Ada 3 di situ, 3 bagian. The first margin, and the second paper, and the third layout. Yeah, you can see this one. This one, yeah. Have here margin, have here paper, and have layout. Now we study about page setup margin, ya. Kita belajar tentang margin. Okay, after that select the margin tab. Kita pilih yang ini because we study about margin. And then here have 4 ya, top, button, bottom, left, and right. You can see here also. This one, top, left, bottom, and right. So margin have 4. Okay, Jessica, you want to speak?
No, sir.
Okay. Later, Jessica, if you have problem, if you cannot log into your typing, you can chat me. Yeah, I will help you. Delfino, you raise hand.
Sir, my work is 2010, sir.
Oh, 2010. It is okay.
Sir, saya nggak ada page setup, sir.
The margin is like this, sir. If like this.
Okay, you page layout. You press page, you choose page layout, and di bawahnya the button page setup, have page setup ya. Okay, you go down.
Oh, ini ada.
Okay,
Terus?
wait ya. Okay, later we practice directly. Nanti kita praktik directly ya. Saya akan open Microsoft Word in my computer so you can see ya. Okay. Atau kita praktik langsung aja.
Boleh, sir.
Boleh. Okay. Okay, ini saya dikit aja ya, sedikit. Okay, this is number 3. You select marginnya, have 4 ya. Top, left, button, and right. And then here gutter. Gutter ini ya, indicate. Ini untuk kalau di bin. Binder itu adalah dijilid ya, dijepit. Bin. Ya, jadi ketika kita if we want to make bin, ya, a gutter margin ensure that text does not hide 2 in the margin. Jadi tujuan gutter ini supaya ketika kita jilid halaman atau kertas halaman kita tidak teks itu tidak terjepit. Ya, itu maksudnya. Tidak terjepit. Jadi dia tetap kelihatan. Jadi kita atur di sini pinnya ya. Oke, page setup margin. Di sini number 4, have the orientation, di bagian orientation kit have 2 ya, portrait and landscape. Jadi paper itu kit bisa like this. Kalau seperti ini apa ini kit? Portrait or landscape?
Landscape.
Okay, thank you. Landscape. Yeah, this is landscape. If you want to make like this, you must choose landscape in orientation section. Ya, di bagian orientationnya you choose landscape. But if you want to make like this, this is you choose per portrait. Ya, portrait. Ya, portrait. Oke. Oke, in the page section di bagian page-nya select appropriate option from multiple down list ya. Multiple page drop down list. Ya, di situ ada nanti bagian halamannya. Pilihannya kita have normal, have mirror margin, 2 page per sheet atau book fold. What is this? Ya, letter if normal itu akan seperti biasa normal. Option for getting the normal document. This one. Mirror margin, ini mirror margin itu what is this? Setting facing page. Jadi page itu supaya dia berhadap-hadapan in a document such as book. Seperti book dia hadap-hadapan halamannya gitu. Seperti ini. Jadi like book or magazine also. Ya, seperti magazine. Itu kalau kita membuat mirror margin. And 2 page per sheet, ya. What is this 2 page per sheet option? Kalau kita pilih di sini for printing 2 page on 1 sheet. Jadi dalam satu halaman, 1 sheet, satu lembar bisa 2 page, 2 halaman. Ya, 2 page, 2 halaman. Bisa itu diatur. Okay, book fold option for creating book read with the specific number of page. Ya, situ adalah untuk membuat book leads ya. Next, in preview ya, di preview sectionnya have option ya. Preview ini ada pilihan whole document, artinya keseluruhan dokumen akan diaplikasikan ke seluruh dokumen dan ini akan diaplikasikan untuk bagian ini dan selanjutnya. This point forward. Jadi pengaturannya itu bisa kita aplikasikan. Can we apply to all dokumen, semua dokumen, atau juga bisa can also dari bagian yang sedang kita kerjakan untuk ke depannya atau bagian yang dikerjakan dan selanjutnya. That's about this point forward. Okay, now we go to Microsoft Word. Okay, if you want to follow me, yeah, I hope you can follow me. Yeah, if you have laptop and computer later, you can follow me how to make margin. Okay, we open first. Kita buka dulu Microsoft Word Kit. Microsoft Word-nya. How to open Microsoft Word? Ayo, siapa yang bisa?
Klik start.
Start.
After that, can search Microsoft Word, sir.
Search Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word in where? In Microsoft?
In Microsoft Word 2013.
Office. In Microsoft
Office.
Office.
And then we click Microsoft Word. This one? Saptiani?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes ya. Oke. Kita klik. Oke. Thank you Saptiani. Okay, students. After that, I choose from here ya, random. Adelio, have Adelio here?
Yes, sir.
Adelio, if we want to set our margin, untuk mengatur margin kita, what we click first? From here, file, home, insert, design, page layout, reference, mailing, review, choose. Which one? The
Page
right.
layout, sir. Page layout.
Page layout.
After
Okay,
that,
enough.
yes, sir.
Enough. Page layout, ya. Okay, Adelio. The next. Kenji, have Kenji here? Kenji no join ya. Okay, I continue. Vina Maricha. Hi, Vina. After we click page layout, just Adelio say, what the next we click to set margin? Vina. Vina, can you hear me?
What, sir?
After page layout, setelah page layout we click, what the next we click to set our margin? After click this one, and then what we click to show the margin, to show the page up dialog box, atau untuk mengatur margin. Okay, still think. I think again. Delfino. Okay, Delfino, do you know what the answer?
After page layout, we click margin, sir.
Page layout. Yeah, click margin this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ken. But just now, if we click this one, yeah. Cannot we change? Kita tidak bisa mengatur, mengganti. Ya, margin ya. Which one we click? Yang mana kita klik supaya bisa kita mengatur, mengganti marginnya? You can see the PDF file. In PDF file, I have sent. I already make it just now.
After click margin, custom margin, sir.
Henley, that's you.
Yes, sir.
Custom margin. Yeah, that's good. Ken ya, klik margin, and then custom margin. Okay, that's good. Stanley. But have again, ada cara yang lain, Kid. After we click page setup. Stefiandi. Or who want to answer? Atau ada yang lain mau answer? No one? Okay. After we click page layout, you can see here, Kid, have here. Yeah. Page layout and have here. What is this, Kid? What is this?
Page setup, sir.
Page setup. Page setup have here, Kid. Sini ada page setup. But you cannot click this one. You must click this one. Yeah, same ya with just now margin that Stanley say custom margin. Ya. Jadi di sini kita bisa juga kita. Nah, we want to set the margin. Ya. Di sini bisa kita set marginnya. This is 22,45. Ya. Supaya lebih jelas, kita harus buat teksnya dulu, Kit. Supaya nampak perbedaannya, Kit. Oke, di example this one. Ya. Contohnya ini, Kit. Oke, di example this one. Oke. Kita sudah punya teks. Look at this. Ini marginnya, Kit. Ya, you can see this. Ini blank space in the edge of page ya, sebelah top. On top, this is left, right, and this is bottom. Button bawah, Kit. Oke. Students, now we want to set. Kita mau atur dulu marginnya. Page layout, page setup. Okay, you can see here on top di sini 2,454. We want to change one. I change here one. I type one. Okay, change one ya. One. Letter kid, you can see here. Coba perhatikan di sini, kid. Oke, pay your attention please. Perhatikan di sini. Letter here, dia akan berubah semakin kecil. Because before, sebelumnya tadi 2,54. Now, Serjuan change 1 to become 1. Jadi nanti, kid, ini akan menjadi kecil. Ya, oke, coba Serjuan klik OK ya. Klik OK. Look at kid. Dia semakin kecil. You can see, kid, Febrian, bisa dilihat perbedaannya, Febrian? Can? Bisa ya dilihat perbedaannya? This is 1. Just now, okay, I undo ya, saya undo. Coba perhatikan dulu. Serjuan undo ya. Kalau saya undo, kid, ya, ini kan terlalu lebar, kid. Ini lebar ya, kid. Terlalu lebar. Jadi Serjuan want to make ini supaya agak ke atas, kita kecilkan margin atasnya. Oke. Serjuan make 1. In here make 1. 1 di sini Serjuan klik. Tadi 2,54. Serjuan klik. Dia akan semakin kecil, kid. And here, kid, dan di sini ya, in here Serjuan want to change also. Di sini kan ya, Serjuan 1, kita buat 1. Ya. Ya, perhatikan semakin kecil, kid. Semakin bergeser dia, kid. Ya, semakin bergeser. Oke, this is left-nya. Ya. Right-nya di sini juga buat 1. Ya, bergeser juga, kid, di sini. Dia bergeser. Dan bottom-nya juga, kid, make 1. Ya, bottom-nya juga terlihat seperti ini. Oke, ini karena teksnya nggak penuh, kid. Kalau penuh teksnya pasti kelihatan. We can see ya marginnya. But on top margin, we already can see ya. Kita udah bisa lihat perbedaannya. Di atas ini tadi dia jauh, sekarang sudah mendekat ke tepi. Ya, that's about margin, kid. And now we want to make orientation. Orientation have 2 ya. Page layout, have page setup, and then have here orientation, portrait, and landscape. Just now we make, this is portrait ya. Ini portrait. Kamu lihat di sini aktif portrait. If we click this one landscape, maka dia tampilannya melebar, kid. Ya, perhatikan ini, kid. Ya, like this. Ya, melebar dia. Portrait just now. Portrait here like this. Seperti ini kalau portrait, kid. Kamu bisa lihat. Ya, you can see from here ya, you can change also from here directly portrait and landscape. Okay. Students, now Serjuan want to give to you who want to try to change the margin and also make orientation. Okay, the first margin. Who want to try? I will give remove from here. You can do from your home. Siapa yang mau coba? I will give to you.
Give remote control, sir.
Ya?
Letter, sir, will give remote control yang mau, sir.
Ya. I will give remote control if you want. Who want? Just change the margin for the first time. The margin. No one? No one want to try? Don't be shy. One? Delfino, you want to try? If you can, I will give point, no?
Sir, change margin. What margin, sir? The size.
No, I think in here, you can change this one. Yeah, you can change margin 1, Yeah, this is 1. You can change the example 2. I want to know that you can or not, and we want to see your ability. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Can, sir.
Yeah. Okay, Delvino, I give remote control for you. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Please, Delvino. I cannot see your name.
Yes, sir.
Del. Delvino, you already tried.
In laptop already, sir.
Okay, Delvino, I give to you. Please, you can move my mouse. Okay, good. Okay, this is Delvino action. Yeah. Yeah. I just watch. You can click that. Too hard.
So hard,
Wait,
sir.
Delvino, why? You don't use mouse from there.
I just use smartphone, sir.
Oh, so too hard, yeah? Too small, I think, yeah?
Yes, sir.
So how you want to try?
No, sir. It's so hard, sir.
Okay, I think so hard because too small, yeah? Okay, who want to try? Who use laptop? Maybe computer? I think that's easy if you use laptop or computer. Who want to try? Stanley, you use computer, laptop?
Laptop.
Oh, I think you can try, yeah? Stanley?
Okay, sir.
Okay, I give to you, Stanley. Okay, please, Stanley, change the margin. Make 2. Every margin make 2. Yeah. Button, top, left, right. Okay, make 2, all 2. You can type directly. You can press tab. Tab yang di keyboard bisa juga ya. You can press tab. Okay, one more. Okay. Yeah. This is already 2, yeah. Okay, thank you, Stanley. You can stop. Okay, stop. Okay, we can see ya, kid. This is already make 2 ya. Jadi buat jadi 2. Yeah, this one. We see first here. Yeah, this one already 2, 2 ya. This is from Stanley. Okay, Stanley. That's good. Okay, students. Now, who want to try make this? This is landscape or portrait, kid? Oh, this is no, yeah.
Portrait, sir.
No, this one. This is
Landscape, sir.
landscape.
Landscape.
Okay.
Landscape, sir.
Who want to try to change this is to be portrait? Okay, raise your hand. I will give remote control.